Pallavi, hello, how are you? Hi, Dr. Manoj. Hi, Kaushal. Hi, Taposhi. Hi, Shravani. Hi, Ankita. तो आज it's the Monday, and yes, a lot of these are the days where there are holidays for Navratra. Okay, तो I think बहुत सारी छुट्टियां भी होंगी, आप लोग छुट्टियों पे होंगे. मेरी तो छुट्टी थी आज. मतलब आई रिलैक्स्ड, आई कुक्ड डिलीशियस फूड. तो खाने का एक मौका मिल गया, एक बहाना मिल गया. तो कैसा रहा आपका दिन? हाय युतिक, हाय तापुशी. हम्म. ओके, चलिए और बताइए. हाय टेरेंस. So I think today's topic is something from LGBT, homosexual and bisexual relationships. So we will more or less talk about the stigma and the taboo attached to homosexuality and bisexuality, and we will see that okay. Someone said that every person is a bisexual. मतलब I read somewhere that every person is a bisexual, uh, and it can be. I mean, see, I consider bisexuality is, of course, it is an inclination, sexual and romantic inclination, but bisexuality, there is a certain erotic feeling. एक erotic feeling होता है which is like different from sexuality, which is more biological. तो इसकी हम बात करेंगे, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ होमोसेक्सुअलिटी, बाइसेक्सुअलिटी, यू नो क्या क्या है, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं विथ दी these gender orientation, sexual orientations which are not the norm. Okay, so the norm is always heterosexuality. हमारी सोसाइटी में एक ही चीज़ को एक्सेप्टेंस मिला गया है विच इज़ कॉल्ड हेट्रोसेक्सुअलिटी. हेट्रोनॉर्मेटिव रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं, तो जिसमें मैन एंड वुमेन रिलेशनशिप. सो बिकॉज वाई इट इज़ गिवन मोर क्रेडेंस इज़ क्योंकि जो आपका अल्टीमेट सेक्सुअल एक्ट को अप्रूवल मिला है वो इसलिए मिला है क्योंकि इट हेल्प्स, इट इज़ अ मीन्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. सो I think that is something that okay, everyone says okay, you still need sex to make babies, and only a man and woman can biologically make sex, produce babies through sex. तो इसलिए heterosexuality is something slowly and steadily it became a norm, and then all these sexual orientations which are supposedly on fringes, तो हमें लगता है कि fringe में है या border line पे है, and there is no proper survey being done to see the percentage of gay population, LGBT population in India. But that's very high. That's quite high, and it could be even higher because a lot of people are living under closet. You really cannot come open out in the open with your sexual orientation. Though there are some people who are coming up, and but these are still rare because workplace discrimination होता है. Even the UN has made certain guidelines so that they can actually have a more hospitable environment, more conducive environment to work, because there is a lot of hostility at workplace. तो ये है कि on one hand I know a lot of women who have discovered that they are lesbian. I mean, they have been into relationships like for 20 years they were in heterosexual relationships, and now they have discovered that they are gay, they are lesbian. तो जो डिस्कवरी हो रही है, इट कैन टेक टाइम. सम पीपल नो इट इमीडिएटली, सम पीपल डोंट. देयर कुड बी सम फीलिंग्स एंड दैट मेक्स अस थ्रेटन. सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दैट. हाय डॉक्टर गौरव. सो द क्विज इज अबाउट टू स्टार्ट गाइज. आप क्विज दीजिए टाइम पर. ज्वाइन द क्विज, डू द क्विज एंड कम बैक. आई एम वेटिंग हियर फॉर यू. Happy Navami, Ravi. तो ओके, हाय वेद. सी ओके, सो बाई का मतलब होता है बोथ. it's both. So bisexual means people who are sexually and romantically attracted towards both the genders, both man and a woman. So if a woman is bisexual, she is attracted to a man as well as a woman. If a man is a bisexual, he will be attracted to both a man and a woman. So it's different from the other spectrums like LGBT में lesbian, gay, which are like same sex orientation होता है, but bisexual में it is like both the sexes. And I think bisexuals are more, even some reports have indicated bisexuals are more in the population, and a lot of people are bisexual. So a lot of, I have seen actually the questioning starts from teenage, where a girl has started questioning her orientation or a boy has started questioning their orientation. And some, it's also about, I think, freedom of experience, as in I feel that okay, I actually want to see, I mean, there is this queer identity. Queer is more about people who are still questioning their identity. They still don't know if they are bi or they are gay, or if they are lesbian, they are transgender. I mean, so many, it's a fluid. I mean, it's enormous. Pansexual is something like they are attracted to all kind of people irrespective of their sexual orientation. So pansexual is a different category. तो ये चीज़ है कि bisexuals, and homosexual relationships. So relationships, basically, first of all, what it has been seen, orgasm, like when we talk about orgasms, it is seen that women in same-sex relationships have higher orgasm rates than women in heterosexual relationships. Now, this is something controversial, I will say, something, very much thought-provoking, कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि women in same-sex relationships have higher orgasm rates than women in, heterosexual relationships. Because maybe as a woman also, they understand their body, and they are more keen to explore it, because see, you're already into a very different category which is not accepted in the society. So you have to actually dare a lot to make this work, make this relationship work. So they are the same-sex lesbian relationships, to my view, they focus more on pleasure, okay, because that is something that is integral to their identity. Okay, so when you say that you identify as a lesbian or you identify as a gay, though your identity is not just about your sexual orientation, but it does form a major part of your sexual, your identity. Sexual orientation forms a major part of your sexual overall identity. Now, when you actually understand that, see, for us it is a given. Okay, we don't say that okay, we are heterosexuals. Do you see us calling heterosexual कि मैं heterosexual हूँ? But you see a gay saying that I am a gay, or you see a lesbian saying that I am a lesbian. Okay, तो हम ऐसा हमारे लिए given है. Okay, let's see about the scores. Scores बताएं please. Let's talk about scores, and then we'll just quickly get back to the session. हाँ जी, let's we are waiting and 26,000 people have joined. Great, amazing. तो एक बार ज़रा scores पहले देख लेते हैं. Let's see the scores, and then we'll just get back to the session. 50, great, Dr. Manoj 50, Nikhil 50, Taposhi 50, amazing, great, lovely. 50 without apples, that's the new benchmark, sometime back when the quiz was just about to start, it was like 50. Now we have even a higher benchmark, which is like 50 without apples, without spending an apple. Great, I think that's definitely a level higher, a notch higher. Okay, great. So coming back to the session, homosexual and bisexual relationships, it is something is not new to our culture. Okay, in Kama Sutra also there is a reference of homosexuality, same sex relationships. एक reference है, but the entire manual is focused on heterosexual relationship, because like I said that even though people in those times knew that okay they can be homosexual, but no one actually came forward, क्योंकि हमने क्या किया है कि कहीं ना कहीं सेक्स को ना उससे लिंक किया है. यू कैन सी इट्स अ लॉक. हाँ, सो बेसिकली एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि हम हमारे लिए, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि सेक्स का मतलब होता है रिप्रोडक्शन. मतलब सेक्स को जो अप्रूवल मिला गया है, सोशल अप्रूवल मिला गया, इट इज़ फॉर रिप्रोडक्शन, लाइक मेकिंग बेबीज. नाउ व्हेन सेक्स डजंट सॉल्व दैट पर्पज, आई मीन दैट इज नॉट इवन like linked to sex. Now sex is about pleasure. Are we as a society willing to accept that ki sex is about pleasure? And that is where the LGBT the set of gender and sexual identities come into picture, that they see sex as not just a means of reproduction, but it is about pleasure, it is about their choice, it is about who they are as a person, who they are attracted to, and they are very vocal about it. और वो कहीं ना कहीं थ्रेटनिंग होता है, क्योंकि हेट्रोसेक्सुअल्स तो वोकल ही नहीं है. उनको उनके लिए गिवन है कि ओके आई डोंट से दैट ओके आई एम अ हेट्रोसेक्सुअल. ओके, नन ऑफ यू विल से आई एम अ हेट्रोसेक्सुअल, बट समवन हु इज़ अ गे, ही विल से आई एम अ गे, और समवन हु इज़ अ ट्रांसजेंडर विल से आई एम अ ट्रांसजेंडर. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये एक कोर आइडेंटिटी बनती है, सेक्शुअल आइडेंटिटी. आई मीन, कैन आर सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशन फॉर्म अ कोर पार्ट ऑफ आइडेंटिटी? दैट्स लाइक सेक्स इटसेल्फ इज सच अ टैबू वर्ड, और हमने उसको आइडेंटिटी से जोड़ दिया है. LGBT इज अबाउट ऑल अबाउट आइडेंटिटीज. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट a lot of people are uncomfortable with. Then somewhere it is also threatening the established structure of thinking. ऐसा इतनी सारी धारणाएं हैं, इतने सारे myths हैं about homosexuals and bisexuals. Someone say okay, if I have heard a lot of parents, like it is mentioned in the reports, that they don't want their kids to be friends with LGBT group because उनको लगता है उनको भी convert कर देंगे. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Ultimately, you see, every person is different. It is not something about doing something which you don't like. And if you think they are getting converted, maybe they are actually LGBT and you are not willing to acknowledge it as a parent. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ होती है कि ये सारे हम इसके आज जो सेशन है, आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक मोर अबाउट what I have seen in my life interacting with lesbian community, gay community. I have had friends, there's a lot of taboo attached with LGBT group. So but thankfully change has begun. So homosexuality, like one of the things we actually see them is like they are very there are a lot of we have seen suicides happening. There was this girl pair, they actually committed suicide because their caste and their village were not ready to accept their relationship status. I mean, they cannot accept two girls to be in relationship, so they actually forcefully married one of the girls to someone, and then they actually wanted to reunite, and they knew that they will not be allowed, they will not be permitted by the society to come together. Then they actually decided to take their lives, and they actually drowned in the river. I mean, that was what it was in the news. So that was like very very unfortunate incident. That क्या society में हम इस चीज़ को accept कर सकते हैं on a social level, on a public level. We need more spaces. Even colleges में there are spaces where they are holding the discussion. See, so I think the idea is about relationship is something which is based on trust, which is based on choice, which is based on pleasure. Of course, pleasure is a big part of deal of relationships. So choice, pleasure, trust, okay, इन सब चीज़ों से एक रिलेशनशिप बनता है. इस रिलेशनशिप में सेक्सुअल ओरिएंटेशन को हमने जब डाला है कि नहीं, रिलेशनशिप का मतलब है कि मैन वुमेन रिलेशनशिप होता है, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. Right? I have seen a lot of women couples and I'm like, oh God, they are so much into love. In fact, I have a dear friend of mine. तो क्या होता है ना, आप रिलेशनशिप कहते हो कि मैं अगर आपको कुछ बताऊंगी, ओके, सो इफ़ आई एम एक्चुअली टेलिंग यू समथिंग, you won't believe me. You will still say, okay, you know, she is a sexpert and she's saying this. You look around and see the people around you. There are a lot of couples who are coming out, and that actually brings more confidence कि अच्छा relationship होता है. So I actually attended a training of a gay, he is a gay, and he's a doctor. His name is Dr. Gaurav Deka. He's a friend of mine. Now, like, you know, that is something, I met him 2 years back when I attended one of his workshops, and the first thing was like, okay, he's a doctor, you know. तो जब आप एक professional accomplishment आपको मिलता है, then you say, okay, no, they are something who are not working, maybe हमारे ऊपर ऐसे apprehensions होते हैं, right? So we have those apprehensions that you know, LGBT is something that they are not serious, or they are like, okay, there is something wrong with them, you know, the popular notion that they need to be fixed. It's not that. There are a lot of accomplished individuals in LGBT. So LGBTQ basically. So you can actually just do a search on popular LGBT figures. So I think you know, a lot of even from Bollywood also, there are some people who are known to be gay. They have not openly come out like I am a gay, you know, kind of. It's because again with the stigma and you know, criticism, ridicule, बहुत सारी hostility होती है basically. So homophobia is the word which is about hostility for homosexuals, and this has resulted in you know, like murders and overall एक hostility भी थी जहाँ I want to keep a distance because he is a gay. तो ये चीज़ें थोड़ी हमको अपने अपने लेवल पे इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करना शुरू करना पड़ेगा कि दे आर ऑल्सो नॉर्मल पीपल लाइक अस. आई मीन देयर इज़ नो, आई शुड नॉट इवन गो इन टू दैट डिस्कशन कि वो नॉर्मल है नहीं. इट्स अ गिवन फॉर देम ऑल्सो दैट इट इज़ देयर चॉइस टू बी रोमांटिकली इन्वॉल्व विथ हु दे वॉन्ट टू बी. इट डजेंट मैटर वॉट जेंडर द पर्सन बिलोंग्स टू, राइट. तो ये चीज़ें होती हैं. आई पर्सनली सीइंग द रिलेशनशिप्स आर मोर fluid, they're more transparent. There are heartbreaks, of course. They also go through a lot of stigma. You know, sexual disease rate is higher in gay population because a lot of times, you know, you really don't get safe spaces for having sex, because it is still not acceptable two men walking into a hotel, okay, identifying as a couple. तो ये थोड़ा सा भी stigma है. So they actually have to deal with a lot of you know, lot of, how do I say, you know, objection to their choice of freedom in relationships. तो ये चीज़ है कि क्या हम पब्लिक स्पेसेस को एक्सेप्टेबल बना सकते हैं उनके लिए टू हैव बेटर रिलेशनशिप. आई मीन इफ़ समवन, I know there are a lot of people, so people who have actually come out, who are financially privileged, who are you know, who are educated, who are earning on their own, belong to a good strata of the society like metro cities. They still have it easier. People from small town cities, tier 2, tier 3 cities, villages, you know, rural areas, okay, dependents, not educated. Now that's like very very difficult task for them, considering कि वहाँ पे तो और भी ज़्यादा oppression है. तो I think we all can have a small start by actually having one gay friend, okay, or one member from LGBT group. I have personally have a lot of friends, and that is something that has worked a lot in breaking the stigma. So it's not about giving some knowledge about, okay, this is how. Unless you meet people, interact with them, you would not get the confidence to even this is how you normalize it. So one of the things when I say that people who are into the, you know, who are still questioning, who know that they are LGBT, they are from LGBT, and they cannot accept it because they're नहीं, ऐसा कोई सिम्टम नहीं है कि आप ये, you can actually, you have to ask. Or like when you talk about someone, you know, can we have even this discussion when we get to know someone for the first time. तो हम किसी से मिलते हैं first time, and then we say कि okay, tell me what do you do, tell me where are you from, you know, how have you been, who are your friends, you know, we talk a lot, we inquire a lot about the person. But do we ask about their sexual orientation? You can still ask like, okay, are you straight, or you are like you're from LGBT. I mean, that's something that you can do, of course, if you think that okay, someone is romantically involved, someone is a gay. So a lot of people living in marriages, I mean, marriages, I mean, you know that gay marriage or lesbian marriage is still not legally accepted in India. So those section 377 has been dissolved by Supreme Court, that was criminalizing gay sex, lesbian sex, that has been like dissolved. But it has still not valid in marriages. I mean, a gay couple or a lesbian couple can still not get married in India. There are certain countries, thankfully, that they have legalized same sex marriages. तो ये चीज़ है कि इंडिया में भी नहीं है. तो मैरिजेस की जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ, तो मैरिजेस में बाई डिफ़ॉल्ट वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज़ अ हेटेरोसेक्सुअल कपल. नाउ देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन मैरिजेस who know that they are gay, who know that they are lesbian, and they are still in those marriages, living in those marriages. तो क्या होता है, फैमिली प्रेशर होता है. सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, आई थिंक शी वॉज अ काउंसलर, एंड शी सेड शी हैड अ क्लाइंट जिनकी मदर ने उनको प्रेशराइज करके शादी करवा दिया, कि लगा कि शादी के बाद शायद भूत उतर जाएगा. यू नो, दिस वॉज द वर्ड शी यूज, लाइक दैट हिज फैमिली यूज, दैट दे थॉट इट इज सम काइंड ऑफ भूत. ये कोई भूत नहीं है, ये आपका एक बेसिक राइट है कि आप अपनी लाइफ कैसे जीना चाहते हो. नो, इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर फंडामेंटल राइट. And we make it like, why are we even expecting those people ki they should follow a certain rule? You know, when it comes to love, I mean, when it comes to loving someone consensually, so if two people with consent are loving each other, what is the harm in that? Now the harm is all in our mindset. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे जंक भर दिया है हमने. puritanical religion, everything political. It's a political issue, it's a religious issue, it's a social issue. तो हर चीज़ को ला के, because somewhere we feel threatened by their power, that how can they do something that is socially not acceptable. कहीं ना कहीं एक अंदर से फियर तो आ रहा है, ये साइकोलॉजिकल फियर आ रहा है कि कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो मैं सबकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट ज़्यादातर ये है कि एक फियर है कि ओके, दे आर सो पावरफुल, लाइक यू नो, दे एक्चुअली डिसाइड टू deviate from the norm. So something is like, oh God, I am living in this unhappy marriage for decades, and here is she saying that she loves a girl. I mean, what the courage she has, dare she has. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं एक आता है कि मतलब पहले तो ये आता, डेयर कब आता है कि भाई उनके अंदर तो ज़्यादा डेयर है हमसे, और ये होना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि हम तो हैं भाई, हम तो you know, we are the great people. So this is something that yes, people actually detest them for different reasons. So some people think that okay, so social fabric खराब हो रहा है, gay, like you still don't see advertisements with two gay people. So Myntra has you can actually do a search, see, you see more and more media also is favorably covering these couples. So Myntra, I think 2 years back, it launched an ad where it showed a lesbian couple. So the lesbian couple was shown preparing to reveal the news to their parents that they are a lesbian. तो ये बहुत ही thought provoking ad था, and it was like picturized in such aesthetic manner. So please look out for Myntra lesbian ad. Search on it and just see it. And see, there is no shame. The girls are like, they are so happy. They were like, hugging each other, and they were like looking into each other, their eyes, gazing at each other, standing by the windowsill and looking outside. There was sunshine, there was a garden. So it's life. I mean, that is where you actually bring in the change, by putting it out with examples, real life example, and so understand कि हाँ भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, गलत नहीं है करना. Right. So now there is one more interesting fact that a report indicated that more and more women are turning bisexual. In fact, ये चीज़ मैं खुद देख रही हूँ, and someone close to me remarked, I mean, that was something, I'm not saying scientifically proven, but they say, I have actually I'm saying this basis my observation of studies, case studies, that people have come and confided in me, because I work as a sex educator, so people come with their problems. So I have seen women coming up and they say that okay, they are happily in love with a girl, and they have had like traumatic marriages. तो बहुत ही ट्रॉमेटिक मैरिजेस उनकी हुई हैं पास्ट में, एब्यूजिव हस्बैंड्स, 2 मैरिजेस. सो वन वुमन शी एक्चुअली हैड 2 मैरिजेस. Okay, yes, Rakesh, that's very, very possible. That's very possible. So, historically, women were oppressed sexually, financially. Their sexuality was denied, their sexuality was demonized, their sexuality was, morally policed in different ways. So, women का जो sexuality historically, there was a strict control. And even in heterosexual relationship, it is often found that, believe that woman is passive, कि उनको तो कुछ करना नहीं है, सारा मैन ही करेगा. I mean, it is so difficult to even imagine a sexually wild woman, okay, in her marriage. Like, we can't say कि हम कहते हैं अच्छा आंटीज़ होती हैं, भाभियाँ होती हैं, ये होते हैं, क्या हम उनको क्या हमको एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि वो सेक्शुअली वाइल्ड होंगी? तो एक डिस्कनेक्ट होता है कि आइडियल इंडियन वुमेन जो मदर इंडिया वाला इमेज है एंड सेक्शुअली वाइल्ड, दे डोंट कॉन्फ्लेट. So there is disconnect. Like someone who is Mother India cannot be sexually wild, or someone who is sexually wild cannot become Mother India. तो हमने 2 इमेज बना दिया है भारतीय नारी की. तो ये एक चीज़ है. और when you say that you identify as a bisexual, you identify as a lesbian or gay or what, other sexual orientation, you actually emphasize on your sexuality, that your sexuality means a lot to you. It definitely plays a big role in your life, and none of us are able to say this. हम खुद नहीं कह सकते. क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि हाँ हमारी सेक्सुअलिटी हमारी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है, बट बाय डिफॉल्ट the statement itself that I belong to LGBT group means that my sexuality is coming as a central theme in my life. I mean, it is being thought as, I mean, though I will say I'm a someone can say that they are a gay photographer, and being gay is not just like they are only gay, there are other aspects to life, but people still believe that, someone say that he is a gay, I cannot say I'm heterosexual. तो ये एक चीज़ होती है कि because women wear, I see a lot of news columns, and my friend, he's an agony aunt in one of the national media columns, and get a lot of questions from Mallu women, like that is a southern newspaper. So साउथ में जो आते हैं तो बहुत सारे women हैं, girls हैं, young girls from villages, they come and they seek help from them, कि from him कि I think I am bi, what should I do? And then he advises them, because it's very difficult even for a dependent child, someone who is underage, to even, but you can actually get to know that okay, you are getting attracted to people of the same gender. So there are signs, like the people who I have lived with, they have identified from the very beginning of their lives. It was not just suddenly after knowing LGBT exists they say that okay, I'm a gay, even if they did not know. So Gaurav Deka, he said that from childhood I was attracted to boys. And Al Varnashios, he is again sex educator based in the States, so he has also said that from the age of 7 or 8 I realized that I'm attracted to boys. Now that attraction is not a sexual attraction, but that attraction is like okay, I have some nice feelings for that man. Okay, it is all summed up to this. तो ये चीज़ नहीं है कि हम कहते कि straight away, even when we fell in love in school for the first time, most of us had crushes. So it was not that we were imagining sexual intercourse. It was all about that feeling of nice feeling to see someone and to talk to someone, and you have those butterflies in your stomach, and you will think of filmy songs, जो भी popular Bollywood songs होते हैं, and you will like, oh God, I feel good when I think of him, and this song plays in my mind. We dedicate some songs to secretly to okay, this song is for my lover. तो ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, we get to know, like around the age of puberty, that we get romantically attracted to maybe a boy or a girl, so similarly with them also, they know it. So it is something ऐसा बायोलॉजिकल, मतलब डीएनए में कुछ नहीं कि लेस्बियन का डीएनए और गे का डीएनए अलग होता है, but it is something instinctive, I will use the word instinctive, to each one of us, that yes, they get attracted to genders. So I think one of the things I will actually share, like as a closing point in this session, is the major problem which I see in acceptance of homosexual and bisexual relationship is that there is a lot of stigma. Okay, so we need to work towards making it more acceptable, definitely, each one of us. Because see, today you are attending a session, there could be someone from LGBT group, okay, who is also attending the session. What he or she is looking from us, कि support, कि कैसे हम support कर सकते हैं. Maybe we don't know because no one has actually written, but I presume that there are some people, a lot of people from LGBT group also who are present there, and some of them might be in a state where they have still not disclosed it, want to disclose it, but cannot because of the fear of judgment, fear of being ostracized. Okay, तो ये चीज़ें हैं कि पहली चीज़ हमें ये कोशिश करनी है कि एक्सेप्टेबल करना है इसको. अगर कोई विलिंगली कंसेंशुअली अपना आइडेंटिटी चूज़ करता है तो उसको पूरा हक बनता है अपनी आइडेंटिटी चूज़ करने का. हैव फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम LGBT ग्रुप, प्लीज़ हैव फ्रेंड्स. I have a lot of friends, and I will actually ask some of them to write pieces so that they can actually reach out to masses. So कोशिश कीजिए, पहल कीजिए. They are beautiful people just like us. I've actually found gay men to be very, very sensitive than heterosexual men. I mean, that might look as a but that's like something I personally have seen. Not making a like statement that okay, this is what is true, but basis my personal experience, I have found them to be genuinely sensitive people. This I've heard from a lot. Gay men are extremely, extremely sensitive, and trust me, this is like my 100% experience with gay men has been like this. So there is no, please don't create a stigma about the people. They are extremely beautiful people, very, very have nice hearts. तो ये चीज़ स्टिग्मा हटाइए अपने दिमाग से, अपने दिल से, अपने जहन से, और एक्सेप्टेंस कीजिए. और जो आना चाह रहे हैं, दोज हु वांट टू कम आउट, कमिंग आउट इज़ अगेन इट्स अ बिग प्रोसेस. सो इन केस you think that you have feelings about this, I will encourage you to pursue it, get more clarity into it, get into a LGBT support group. Okay, ask questions, reach out to the members. There are a lot of LGBT support groups on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, and yes, so some like Dr. Ashley Tellis, he is a gay activist. So Dr. Ashley Tellis, for like those of you who want to actually reach out, who think that they want help in coming out, please reach out to Dr. Ashley Tellis. Please reach out to me also in case you need that. You are not able to, that is making your life hell, because it is like, if you do not have freedom to love, then what else you have? And I know a lot of women who are lesbian, but because two women can still be friends, they live together as friends, as sisters, and that society would not actually look at them or point fingers at them. But somewhere they are into fear that tomorrow if someone gets to know that these girls are, you really cannot hold hands, really cannot have a lot of body hugging, body touching, because it can actually raise eyebrows. तो वो चीज़ें हैं कि acceptance is the key. It is not that okay, he or she is homosexual, तो क्या क्या होता है. The same thing is right now what we are fighting for the spaces for LGBT group. It's a big fight. Cannot be done in few years. It will take hundreds of years to have like actually get them the same acceptance as heterosexuals. और ये चीज़ ज़रूरी है, ये हो रहा है, काम हो रहा है. 377 का जो सेक्शन 370 जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उसको राइट ऑफ किया था, दैट इज़ द वन बिग स्टेप ओके टुवर्ड्स होमोसेक्सुअलिटी एक्सेप्टेंस इंडिया. क्या सेम सेक्स जो था, सेम सेक्स सेक्सुअल एक्ट था जिसको क्रिमिनलाइज किया गया था, उसको डीक्रिमिनलाइज कर दिया गया है. ओके, सो thank you so much guys for your time. I hope it was more like a candid talk, about what I have seen around my life. So I actually refrain from using a lot of technical jargons, because I think that's not the need of hour. The need of hour is to increase sensitization about the existence of homosexuality, bisexuality in our society, which is a true fact, and there is nothing wrong in that. That's my closing statement. So thank you so much guys for your time, and see you on Wednesday, and till then have a nice day. Good night.